Out here? Is this a party or is this the scare party? I'm thinking it's a scare party.
No, this is the line to Raja. Don't you know that?
Oh yeah! Let's go with that idea. I like that idea better.
Thank you. I get that a lot.
This guy's hilarious. He's my best friend. This is why I keep him around.
Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
Probably.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Oh God. Oh sweet Jesus. She's coming back.
She's coming back.
This is not a funny sign. This is not for the squeamish, but this is actually kind of funny. Oh good, we get to go home. My turn. Times two. Let's put a smile on her face. That's even a lot better.
Do you hate me?
I can see myself working here. I don't know why though.
You can see yourself working here?
Probably. Either at Fright Fest. I don't know. Psych nights only.
For a guy who screamed and jumped towards his best friend, using him as a safety cone, I don't know if this is your forte.
No, first off, it's Protect Me Cone. There's a huge difference.
Okay, protect me cone, and I'm not even wearing orange.
We can make that work.
I'm wearing red and black stripes, but...
You don't count as a cone? Yeah, you do.
Do you see any highlights on me?
Yeah, it's on your shorts.
Yeah, no. That's just... that doesn't qualify.
It qualifies for me, dude. This time I'm getting used to it.
Kayla, you're okay.
This is hilarious.
Hey, guess what? We're next.
Oh, that's good then. Okay, who made me deaf again?
I should have worn headphones. Hi, this would be a perfect place to go jogging.
Yeah, especially when you're running away from the zombies and infection too. Oh shit. I'm getting used to it now.
Well,
Thank Jesus.
It's the same person.
Well, yeah.
You've seen it.
I think it's Joker's wife. I don't know.
Okay, yeah, that could be. Wait, Joker doesn't have a wife, does he?
What do you think Harley Quinn's there for?
Oh, are they legally married? Oh, wait, they're villains, so no.
Actually, I don't know.
I don't think they are. I think they're still boyfriend and girlfriend. I don't think the Joker can get married.
Snap, oh snap, oh crack a pop.
How terrifying is this? We walked about 3 feet.
Oh, it gets even worse.
Yeah, I can see with all the moonlighting.
How can you see that?
It's very romantic, Ty.
No, it's very horrifying.
No, come on, that's green moonlighting. That's romantic. Oh, Ty, don't look now, but there's a zombie right behind you. Stand perfectly still.
That doesn't work in the movies.
And look quickly behind you. Boom.
You don't work that way. You don't fly that way, pal. It's a haunted canyon. Get used to it.
They should call it Death Canyon instead of like...
I was expecting aliens once again.
What's your name?
You know what would be really
Can't wait
scary?
to see that guy.
Is if they,
Sparkly!
Actually pretty cool.
Today you can't do that in the martini.
Did you just yawn?
Oh, here we go, here we go. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Woo!
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Slimy.
Well, they just said slimy areas, dude.
Disgusting.
Oh, you're just disgraceful right there, man.
Alright, since I'm your safety cone, you're my napkin.
Fine. Deal.
Okay.
But you're also my eyes, dude.
You got your worst. Well, you gotta watch out for your head. Oh yeah, here we go. Come on, money shot.
Keep moving.
Wow, he's up there. Alright, okay, here we go.
Mother. Help. SOS. Go
Okay,
now.
yeah, Ty, someone's gonna save you. Wait, this looks familiar. Oh, we're headed. You know what? We're headed back, I think. I'm not sure. Don't quote me. But this looks dangerously familiar. I think we're headed back. I think we're definitely headed back. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on this. Woo! Watch your stuff here, Ty.
Is this like the one that has the wire? That like flicks you?
Ugh, yuck. I just walked through a cobweb.
Yeah, right there. Is that on that side? Look at that signal.
Yeah, we're headed back. Okay, Ty, we're headed back. I recognize this signal. Cool.
Damn it, Sean, not funny.
Gotcha. I had to do it at least one more time, Kai.
Yeah, of course you did.
Yeah, I really did. What kind
You're
of
the old man.
what kind of friend is what kind of a friend would I be?
Said I heard the old man. Where is he?
I don't know.
There he is. There's
Yeah,
the
you're
old
right
man.
behind me.
Why you got that thing on? Blinding me.
Sorry.
I'm not talking about
I'm sorry.
Your camera doesn't blind. It's just a recording dot. It's a flashlight. You get blinded by a little small light. I can't help you there. Think safe.
Safety, safe, 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 safe.
Woo!
Not funny, dude.
My shorts got fucked up there. Let's see, what time is it? I want to blind go after.
Fuck you, Leroy Jenkins. You suck.
That's alright. I know this is going to end at like 10. We'll get back by 10. Because we're headed back. I recognize the smell. Alright, watch your stuff here, Ted. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, sorry. That wasn't so bad. Oh no, Marco Polo, let's lay down.
Jeez, I think my fingers are full of wax.
Oh, that. I really needed to know that, Ty.
Yeah, I know. It's really weird. It's really disgusting.
Hey, maybe if you have a match, you can make a candle.
Oh, you're hilarious.
Oh, we're back on gravel road.
Zombies hate fire. Zombies hate fire. Zombies hate fire. They really do. They really hate fire.
Now that you've had close encounters with zombies, do you still want to play with zombies in Call of Duty?
Yes.
Okay, I was just wondering.
Good. You're playing with me too.
Of course. Now this is new. Well, at least I got mosquito control. That's nice. It's a nice touch.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, of course we're going in there.
Well, we found him.
There's Jason. I told you, they do not disappoint.
We found him.
And we found that guy. Okay, something's bound to happen.
Oh shit.
Chainsaw.
That's not good. That's Leatherface.
Okay, we're on.
Oh shit. Sean, I'm right behind you, pal.
Gotcha.
Do you run or stop? Do you run or stop?
Oh goody, someone's gonna get killed tonight. Aww. No slaughterhouse 5,000! Come on!
That was 5,000. Nice.
Jesus!
He's coming back, right, Ty?
Yeah, we're coming back, I know.
He's coming back.
Oh, well, no shit. Sean, you better get your ass off here, man! Jesus, Sean, you better get up here! Oh, no joke!
You're too easy.
I'm late. Yep, I know. Thank you.
That was epic.
Alrighty then. Hey, I got a question for you. How come we're up here, you're way back there?